Bonsoir les causeurs, this is Llyane Stanfield, and tonight I am coming back to you with Facebook Live, another mini webinar regarding pronunciation of the sound E in French. And yesterday we had, just want to do a short recap about yesterday's Facebook Live. And so I was explaining how it's not important, and that's so hugely, I mean, it's a game changer for everybody. It's not important if the vowel is long, or you produce the vowel long, short, closed, or open. It's not important because it doesn't change the meaning of the word. And when we start doing pronunciation, when we start learning pronunciation and you know, really making it, refining our pronunciation, it's important first to be clear. So clarity of speech, the clarity of communication is absolutely paramount here in this group. And so it's, yes, you may hear for natives when they speak, the sound E being either a little closer or closed up, or more open, shorter or longer, and that's okay. Just know that as soon as you're going to become a little more fluid in your pronunciation, in your conversation, they will start to shift, and they will start to vary. They're going to be a little more varied, the sounds for you, the sound E, depending on the way the word is constructed, right? I was explaining yesterday. So if you want to know, to revisit this topic, please go ahead in yesterday's video and revisit that. We also looked at the first two types of spelling of the vowel E. And the first one is accents, and the second one is AI. Now, what I want to start this Facebook Live with, I would like to start with giving you the exception to that spelling, to the pronunciation of the combination AI. But before I go into that, I just wanted, because I'm getting questions regarding the contest, and this is not going to be an everyday kind of question contest. This contest is going to be long. It's going to be until December 21st. My goal is to help you go, I guess, ahead of the curve with your New Year's resolution. I want you to see progress. I want you to see yourself to the next level of your French after just spending this time with me and inside of the contest. So the questions are going to be 3 questions every week, so they're going to be every other day. And these Facebook Live, these mini webinars, as I call them, are going to help you prepare for the questions, okay? So you're going to learn stuff, learn a little, win a lot, just like I'm saying in my messages, okay? And so you need to also register the contest. And so you feel free to take advantage of these lessons here in the group, absolutely fantastic. But even if you know the answers and you don't know the questions anyway, so in order to find the questions, you will have to register to the contest. Only that way you can participate and win. So let's go back to our pronunciation, and I'm so excited about this because I see a lot of my clients and people I help in groups, in Facebook groups, they make this mistake, and they have no idea that this is an actual exception to the spelling. So AI is pronounced E in French, but exception is the verb faire. So in the present tense, the verb faire is conjugated. Je fais, tu fais, il fait. It's spelled AI, so that's why we pronounce E. But then nous is nous faisons, instead of E, even though it's spelled AI, so it's nous faisons. And then it goes back to the normal rules of pronunciation. Vous faites with an AI, and ils font, that doesn't apply here with our A doesn't exist in there. So that is, a lot of people are saying nous faisons, a lot, and I'm sure some of you too. And now the consequence to this exception is l'imparfait. So l'imparfait is taking the root from the first person plural in the present, meaning nous. And so the verb faire is nous faisons, but spelled AI. Well, imparfait is going to take the same spelling AI and the pronunciation fe. So it's going to sound like that. Je faisais, tu faisais, il faisait, nous faisions, vous faisiez, il faisait, even though all across the verb is spelled AI. So that's a little nugget that you may want to keep it in your sleeve, and definitely remember when you are using this verb. And please comment and ask me questions. I want to know if you are picking up what I'm putting down. I want to know if we connect, if we are on the same wavelength, and if this is too much, too fast, or something. Comments, please give me some feedback so that I know who I'm talking with. Now, the next two types of spelling of the sound A in French are. So number 3 will be EI. EI. And the typical example for this spelling of the sound A is neige. N-E-I-G-E. Neige. And the fourth type of spelling of the sound E in French is final ER, final EZ. And knowing verbs, you definitely know that, for instance, manger, the infinitive, je veux manger du pain. Manger is in infinitive ER, we pronounced E. And also, vous mangez du pain, you, Mr. or you people eat bread. Manger spelled with EZ at the end, same E at the end. Okay, so final EZ. Le nez, same EZ if you want to find something else that is not a verb. So final EZ, final ER. That's it for tonight. So what we talked, just to do a little recap, we talked about the exception of verb faire, exception to the rule AI is pronounced A in French, and the third type of spelling of the sound A is EI, like neige, and the fourth is final EZ, final ER, like manger, j'aime manger, or vous mangez. Tomorrow, I'm going to post question number 2 in the contest, and of course, if you're registered, you will receive an email from me, and you will go to the page of the contest and answer your question. And tomorrow, I'm also going to come on Facebook Live with the 5th type of spelling of the sound A, which is a little it's a little like thing, a story on its own. You will see, and can't wait to explain it to you tomorrow. And yeah, that's all I have for you for tonight. And don't forget that only during this contest I'm offering mini intensives of 4 Skype hours, mini intensives at 20% off. I also offer a free assessment. So if you are having a conversation, want to have a conversation about working together, working with me together, I am including a pronunciation session where we will fix every challenge, top 3 or challenges that you have in pronunciation in 1 hour. So that is free, and that is only during this contest. So make sure that you contact me whenever you're ready. No pressure, and I can't wait to see you and to help you with your pronunciation. I'm also introducing very soon the Joëlette Exquis Extensif. This is a 1-year program, high-end, and that is going to be accessible going to be accessible only to 8 people next year. Just 8 clients, 8 students will be able to take that program, whoever is registering. And so I'm going to tell you more about this brand new program as soon as I have some page up to show you. So thank you so much for watching this. Congratulations for staying on your game and never giving up, or staying on your goal to becoming bilingual, and do something before the New Year's, so that your New Year's resolution will be empowered with the fact that, oh, I know I can do this, because in a month, look how far I've gotten in a month. Imagine if I would spend 1 year with that much, that little effort, because that's my point here is to prove to you how easy and fast that can be. Imagine how far I can get. So I'm here to support you. I'm here in your corner, always here to answer your questions and to support your effort and your motivation to keep going and never give up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Merci beaucoup et bonne nuit.